should be next to me. Hi, good morning, guys. I don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You ordered them. It is about 8:12. I should be leaving here in 3 minutes. It's 8:12 now, but I really wanted to come this morning to start to share my morning thoughts with you. I used to do it before, but I'm gonna start again because I feel like my morning thoughts can help at least one person, and that is a great accomplishment for me. Now, this morning I really wanted to talk about being comfortable or being content in the situation or the season that you're in now, because I know that it's not something that is gonna last. You might be in a situation now and you're saying, like, when this I go pass, like how me I go get through this, not change, and like you just don't know. I want to share a little story with you about myself. Maybe around 3 years ago, like I used to pray like really hard to feel normal again, because I was in a situation where I felt like me never did go past it, you know, like me feel stuck, me feel stained by the situation, and I felt like I just never was gonna pass it. And we used to pray to God like in a bathroom. I know the movie scene there when you're in a bathroom or the shower. I went up here and yeah, but I used to pray to God and I said, God, please make me feel normal again. Please make me feel normal again. Why me I go through this? Wow, I'm wicked more than nobody else. So, and lucky enough, time is one of the key things that you have to give yourself to really get that feeling again. I never knew that I would start to feel normal again, and when I started I was so excited and kind of really shocked, because it's not the normal that I used to feel. It's a new normal now. But I overcame, and that is to tell you guys that the situation that you're in now, it's not gonna last. Just give yourself time and you will overcome it. You know, I'm telling you from experience, nothing is here to last. Everything is just for a season. So go and pick up on the damn clean self in the morning, yeah. You know, keep smiling even when you don't feel like it. A lady on Instagram normally says that. Her name is Felicia, I think. I'm gonna link her Instagram below. She always says, keep smiling if even when you don't feel like it. I always have skin my teeth, you know. So that's one of the things that you should practice to do, smile. And you know, uplift yourself, and that just by you smiling and uplifting yourself, you can impact somebody else. So please remember to subscribe. I see you tomorrow. And yeah, big up on the damn clean self, subscribe, show the love, share with a friend, and bay things.